Are you living in Canada or planning to move here? December 2025 could bring major changes, and some residents might suddenly face deportation. Who's at risk, and what can you do to protect yourself? Stay with us, because this could directly impact your future in Canada. Welcome to Canada Visa. If you're living in Canada, December 2025 could bring major changes to Canada's immigration system, and some residents might be at risk of deportation. In this video, we're going to break down exactly who could be affected, why these changes are happening, and what you can do to protect yourself and your family. We'll cover everything from expired visas and residency obligations to criminal convictions and pending applications. Even if you think you're safe, understanding these rules and staying informed could save you from serious consequences. Our goal is to give you clear, actionable guidance so that your Canadian journey remains secure and stress-free. So stay with us, take notes, and make sure you don't miss a single detail. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to stay compliant with Canadian immigration laws and protect your future in this country. Canada has long been a destination for newcomers, seeking a better life, opportunities for work and education, and a safe environment for their families. However, the Canadian immigration system is governed by strict rules and regulations. Authorities monitor compliance with visa conditions, residency obligations, and legal requirements. When these rules are not followed, individuals may face serious consequences, including the possibility of deportation. So who exactly could be affected in December 2025? First, individuals with expired visas or permits are among the most vulnerable. Many temporary residents, including international students and foreign workers, sometimes overstay their authorized period in Canada, either unknowingly or due to processing delays in visa renewals. When authorities identify overstays, they may issue removal orders, which could result in deportation if not resolved promptly. Second, permanent residents who fail to meet residency obligations could also face deportation. Canadian law requires permanent residents to live in Canada for at least 730 days within every 5-year period. Failure to meet this requirement could lead to the loss of PR status, especially if authorities determine that the individual has not maintained a genuine connection to Canada. It's crucial for permanent residents to carefully track their days in the country to avoid jeopardizing their status. Another group at risk includes individuals with criminal convictions. Canadian immigration law does not tolerate criminal activity, and even minor offenses in some cases can trigger removal proceedings. Convictions for serious crimes, repeat offenses, or violations of federal or provincial laws may lead immigration authorities to consider deportation. For newcomers or long-term residents, this emphasizes the importance of understanding Canadian laws and maintaining a clean legal record. There are also cases where people with pending applications for permanent residency, work permits, or student visas may face removal if their applications are rejected, or if they have provided incomplete or inaccurate information during the application process. Immigration authorities are increasingly conducting thorough checks to ensure that all documentation is accurate and truthful. Submitting false information, even unintentionally, can have severe consequences, including the risk of deportation. What should you do if you think you might be affected by these developments? The first step is to stay informed. Regularly check official updates from Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, and other government sources. Understanding current policies and deadlines can help you take action before situations escalate. Second, ensure that your documents and applications are always up to date. Renew visas, permits, and PR cards well in advance of their expiration. Keep detailed records of your time spent in Canada, including travel dates, work history, and educational enrollment. Having accurate records can be critical if authorities question your status. Third, seek professional advice if you have any concerns about your immigration status. Immigration lawyers and accredited consultants can provide guidance on how to maintain compliance, navigate complex regulations, and even appeal decisions if necessary. Acting proactively can often prevent issues before they become serious. It's also important to remember that while some individuals may face deportation, Canada remains committed to helping newcomers integrate successfully. Programs exist to support immigrants, provide legal guidance, and offer pathways to permanent residency and citizenship for those who comply with regulations. Taking advantage of these programs can strengthen your connection to Canada and reduce the risk of complications. As we approach December 2025, the key takeaway is that awareness and preparation are your best tools. Don't wait for a notice or legal action to take steps to protect yourself. Make sure your status is valid, your records are accurate, and you fully understand your rights and responsibilities as a resident or temporary visitor in Canada. Remember, deportation is a serious consequence, but it can often be avoided with proper planning, compliance, and timely action. Staying informed, seeking guidance when needed, and maintaining lawful status in Canada are the most effective ways to safeguard your future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Canada Visa for the latest updates on Canadian immigration, PR, and visa news. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an important update. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep your Canadian dream on track.